Hi, I'm Emily Dart and welcome to the VE Day pop-up party. We're here at Anchor Care Homes and Moore Place to deliver a fantastic afternoon of celebrations and yummy food for the residents to enjoy. VE Day is not only a tribute for those who fought for our freedom, but also a powerful reminder of the resilience and unity that defines our country. As well as to celebrate this historic day, we're also here to bring alive one of our cutlery-free 1940s guides.
To support our customers with their very own VE Day celebrations, we've put together a 1940s guide filled with an activity pack for the residents to enjoy. We also put together recipes inspired by Chef Wayne's father-in-law's cookbook.
The cakes we have this afternoon is a ration cake, a Nelson cake, as well as some classic Victoria sandwiches and some carrot cake. Just seeing the smile on their faces makes it really worthwhile.
Hi, my name's Sarah. I'm part of the Moore Place team here. Love getting involved with all of the events, particularly this one. It's very important to our residents and we can't wait to celebrate with them.
Hello, my name's Stephen Jacobs. My father was born in 1904 and was in the Royal Air Force. In the middle of the battle for Britain, he was with 91 Nigeria Squadron. I was a London schoolboy, so we were evacuated out. And then my first evacuation was to Devon, and wonderful people in there, wonderful people.
You know, in Devonport Barracks, there was so much going on all the time with over the periods like that. We kept having do's and parties and blowing horns, you know. It was really, really fun.
The residents appeared to really enjoy themselves, singing along to the music. The entertainer was fantastic. The food and the drink, it all went down very well, and the residents really enjoyed it. It was nice to see some residents dancing.
So that's the celebrations for today. We hope you loved the video. To help bring alive these celebrations in your care home, simply hit the link below to download our 1940s Nostalgia Guide.